It's nice to see you. You are welcome once again to Den of Knowledge, Primary 1 English Language. Today, we'll discuss about concept of print. Concept of print. Concept of print. Severally, you have come across some books. Now, print is a book made with words and pictures. It's a book made with words and pictures. So you've come across most books and you see some pictures there, you see some words there. Sometimes you will be asking yourself, all these words written on this book, what are they for? All these pictures, what are they for? Do you know we like books with pictures more than books with just words? And sometimes you read those words, you don't understand what they are for. But today, I will explain that to you. Now, what do we see in a printed book? There are two major things that you see in a book. Those things are letters. Of course, you know, letters from words and words from sentences. You know that. From letters, when you join them together, they form words. Like, you have W is a letter, O is a letter, R is a letter, D is our letter. When you join them together, you form what? Word. Okay? So letters are the first thing you see in a book. You can still see pictures. Remember, I told you that there are two. You can still see what? Pictures. This can be a picture of an object or a thing. Possibly picture of a human being. Face, hand, or any part of a human being. I will show you an example of what I mean. Now you see this. Watch this. You see this are words. These are words. B, E, T, T, E, R. These are words that are being gotten from letters. Now, you look very well, you see pictures. Some people call it images. You see pictures. These are pictures of a woman or a lady. And this is a picture of someone like you. And someone like you. So, every book you see, look very well. You can see these letters, you can equally see pictures. These are the two things that make up a print. Now, all these things written on them, what are they for? There are things you see on a printed book. You see the first one, which is the title of the book. Title of the book. Almost every book have a title. Yes, they do. They have a title. This one I have here has a title. So, when you get that novel you like to read, look at it very well. You will see the title of it written boldly on it. So, as you can watch here, you can see books and their authors. You can see the pictures of their authors. I told you, you can easily locate it here. You can easily locate it here as well, depending on where they put it at the back of their book. Now, remember that the title of the book is the same thing with the name of the book. So don't confuse yourself and say, hey, this one don't have title, it only has name. No, it has name. Hence, it has title. Because the title of the book is the same thing with the name. As you can see over there, just see the title of that book. That is the name of the book. Here, see the title of this book. And that is the name of this book. Now, there are still other things you can see on this book. You can still see something written down here. Something written down here. Can you? What is it used for? What is this used for? This is used to show that this book is registered. Is to show that this book is registered. That means it is an official book. It is a known book. So once you get a book, you look at it here, you will see something written ISBN. That shows that that book is registered. You can still see it in other books. Sometimes you may not see it in a book. Don't worry. Look at that book very well and check if the book contains words, that is letters, pictures, being the two major things we need in a book. Then open the book. Inside a book, you are still going to see some things like this. It equally has things like words and then pictures. Carefully read to identify all these words and know what they are talking about. Then know how they relate to these pictures you see there. Don't just watch pictures of a book and then you slide over it. No, you watch both the pictures and the words and relate both of them together to know what it tells you to do or to know. Okay? Yes, that is just what we will see in print. Concept of print. I'm going to see you next time. I hope you'll be glad to see me. Remember, Boniface Chima Kinsley, Den of Knowledge, English Language, Primary 1. See you next time.